Hey everyone. So this is what my dashboard looks like. So I deposited 500 Rand, and then in 10 days time I will then have made 1,000 Rand. So Manica tokens, they double our payments or our investments. So let's go through the menu. So you will click on these three lines on top in your right hand corner, and this menu will appear. So if you want to buy tokens, meaning if you want to deposit money, you press buy tokens. You go to the bottom and then you will insert how much you want to deposit. Here you can choose 10, 15 or 20 days. I prefer the 10 days. And then you click on send request. Then you scroll down to the bottom. And here it will show you're requesting 500 Rand, tokens worth 500 Rand. Now you scroll to the right and you will see payment details. You can either choose Manica Tokens Capitec first account or Manica Tokens F&B account, and I see there's another Capitec, and then if you got Bitcoins, that's your Bitcoin address that you will send the money to. And you scroll over once you've made the deposit. Now what is extremely important, your reference is your username. Use your username as your reference. That is how they pick up whose money was deposited. Then you will take a screenshot of your PDF and you will upload it here. So mine is showing 2 because I'm just making examples, but I'm not depositing. My other deposit I've made already. So you will attach your proof of payment here. Once you've done, you can also send your proof of payment to Letty. I will share the contact again. And then with your username, you tell her my username and I've deposited money. Then it will appear on your dashboard.